So everybody begin by getting into a comfortable position. Take a deep breath in, and with your next breath, feel your body relaxing into the chair. Start by noticing the sounds around you in the room. The temperature of the air against your skin. The weight of your body against the chair. Now gently bring your attention to your breathing. Notice the rising and falling of your chest and that tiny pause in between every breath. Now begin by just counting to 3 as you breathe in and breathe out. Like an act of kindness to just slow things down. Don't make anything feel forced. Do it at whatever pace is comfortable for you. And we're going to go back to the soothing breathing whenever you start to get distressed. So this exercise is to help you build a compassionate image for you to work with whenever you feel that you need to call upon it. And you can use whatever image comes to mind that makes you feel like you're being cared for and cared about. This is to create an image of a compassionate self or a compassionate being to help you develop that part of the brain that can help you soothe. The only requirement is that this image embodies the aspects of some figure or whatever it is that you choose that represents wisdom, strength, warmth, and acceptance. And as you kind of think about this, then notice what images come to mind. And the first image may not be the one that fits the best for you. And so here are some questions to help you build this image. What would you want your caring or nurturing image to feel, look, or seem like? Would you want them to be old or young? Male or female? Would you want them to be non-human? Would it be an animal, an ocean, a light? Would your image have gone through similar experiences to you? Or maybe it is you. Would they be like a friend? Or maybe part of a team that welcomes you to belong? That reassures you when you need it? That validates your suffering when it comes up? What colors or sounds are associated with these qualities of wisdom, strength, warmth, or non-judgment? And remember that your image is intended to fill you with compassion for yourself, as well as for others. And so start by focusing on the visual aspects of this image. What does it look like? This wise, strong, warm, and accepting image. Is it someone in your life who can hug you and make the world just go away? What is it like? How How would you like your ideal, caring, compassionate image to sound? What would their voice sound like, or their tone? How would you like it to relate to you? As a friend, a parent, yourself, a loved one, an all ever-present being. How would you like to relate to this caring and compassionate image? What needs to happen for you to be open to receiving the love that it has for you? To internalizing that. And now, as you're with this compassionate image, then create a safe place. And it can be a place you've already been, or it can be a place that you're conjuring in your mind. But engage that soothing rhythm breathing, counting to 3 as you breathe in, counting to 3 as you breathe out. And when you're ready to create a place in your mind that can give you that feeling of safeness and calmness, where you'll go to with that compassionate image, then start by looking around you. What do you see? Is it a beautiful wood where the leaves are kind of making some noise in the wind? By an ocean? Playing with your dog? Or relaxing next to a log fire? Where are you as you look around in this place where you feel completely safe and calm? And now focus on what you can feel. If there's sun, do you feel the sensation of sun on your face? Allow yourself to feel a breeze caressing your skin or your hair. Or maybe you feel soft white sand underfoot. Now pay attention to what you can hear in this safe, calm place. And what you can smell. As you fill in all the details of being in this safe place, allow your body to relax. Notice your facial expression while you're there. Notice the sense of calmness and peace that it brings. Now imagine that this place itself actually enjoys having you there somehow. And allowing yourself to feel how your safe place wants you to be there. Allow yourself to really connect to a sense of belonging to this place and to your compassionate image. Really giving yourself permission to connect to that sense of belonging and safety and acceptance, no matter how much you're suffering. allow the wisdom, the strength, the warmth, and the acceptance of your compassionate image to start to fill you up. Really focusing on what it's like to accept that. That you don't need to run away from suffering anymore. It can be there. And it will pass. And that you get to come here whenever it comes up. Feel the positive feeling from that sense of compassion, receiving that warmth and kindness and wisdom and strength and acceptance. Feel it expanding in your body, traveling up and down all at the same time, completely filling you. And notice how it feels to know that your relationship with suffering is changing. It's not so scary anymore. It's just a part of life. And that you have a place where you belong for whenever it comes up and you need it. Gently shift your attention back to your breathing, to the rising and falling of your chest, to the sounds around you in the room. And when you're ready, open your eyes.